Hello everyone, this is Smudger Studios here, and this time in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my model train layout. To make room for the layout, I had to move all my stuff under the track table, which I use for my wooden railway videos. Some of my stuff is under there. I also had to move some of my gaming stuff that I had under there and move it to my gaming setup. Stuff like speakers and my Switch and one of my light bars, which one of them is actually being used on the layout. However, the light doesn't reach some of the parts of the layout because the town blocks most of it. As you can see here in this picture, most of the layout in the back is very dark. Now, unlike most modelers, I am very cheap when it comes to what I get. So most of my stuff is from Dollar Tree, or I either already had it on hand, or I printed it. Like stuff like the backdrop, the grass, some things like that. Some things I got at Dollar Tree were these houses, the people, and the cars. I also got the cotton balls from Dollar Tree for the snow and that little cottage in the back of the countryside section. The stuff that I printed out were the grass and the backdrop. They're pretty easy. You go online and you pick out a English countryside and some grass, and that's it. Now, a train set wouldn't be a train set without a train. Here's some footage of the early layout when most of it wasn't really finished.